Today, I'm going to take you back to the future where drones meet artificial intelligence. You can think about artificial intelligence behind drones as AI revolution. Think of The Matrix, think about all the movies, scientific movies that you've seen about the future, about cars and drones and the change in technology. We are at that time right now as we speak. AI fundamentals we're going to discuss in this video will be machine learning, computer vision, autonomous decision making, and the insights on how drones can be leveraged to analyze patterns and respond to real time situations. First, we're going to talk about autonomous navigation. Think of autonomous navigation as kind of like the GPS signals that get you to your location from point A to point B, but without thinking about it with a human intervention. That way, AI uses technology and strategies to come up with how to navigate algorithms to enable drones to operate in confined spaces where GPS signals can be blocked, all the different techniques in areas and environments where you can reinforce learning to have AI powered drones to learn how to navigate through experience, kind of teaching your drone how to fly without someone being inside of the drone. Intelligent obstacle detection. So, object detection can be used kind of like the sensors on your car to be able to detect LiDAR if it's something near or far that your drone may run into. Artificial intelligence is given the ability to detect autonomously to make decisions without someone behind the wheel or behind the sticks of a drone. So it also gives object detection. It has different sensors on the front and rear, up and down of the drone to be able to detect and make decisions to avoid buildings, trees, and other drones and avoid collisions. Predictive analytics. Drones can be used for environmental concerns as far as monitoring, checking the actual performance of the actual environment and all your surrounding areas. So it can make informed decisions and predict, I would say, the future, but it uses kind of like a computer or AI driven response to be able to incorporate with the Internet of Things devices. And they all send signals and kind of use that signal to make decisions on what's to expect next. Swarm intelligence. Think of, let's say, bees. Bees and the natural environment, they come together, they hum and vibrate at the same time. They move together. Think of drones moving like a swarm of bees. Just be careful, don't get stung. But swarm intelligence is based off of the algorithm and it communicates and collaborates with other drones and they coordinate with each other, kind of like they talk like a walkie talkie to say, I'm moving left, I'm moving right, and they all move in synchronization. So drones can collaborate and communicate to each other and create a mimic behavior of what's in nature. Real world applications of drones. You can think of humanitarian aid. AI driven drones can provide supplies, medical equipment, and do deliveries and drops of medical responses. Constructions. AI powered drones can facilitate construction projects by providing real time progress monitoring, survey, inventory, management, and all different types of solutions that can provide project delays or cost overruns can be managed by drones. Also, it can be used for AI real world application in environmental remediation. Think of it as I want to send a drone using AI to be able to think and act like a person without getting that person into harm's way. Some advantages and challenges of drones. The first are the positives. It increases efficiencies, it reduces operational costs, it improves safety, and it also enhances decision making. The major challenges are privacy concerns, regulatory compliance, data security, and ethical considerations. The future impact is industry partnerships, collaboration with technology companies, manufacturers, research institutions, and it pretty much gives a boost to acceleration of innovation and the development of AI powered drone solutions. In the academic research world, it can conduct research and develop technologies that advance the capabilities of drone-driven technology and also gives a boost of creativity. We all need to come up with different solutions, and the future is near, and the future is now for us to use this capability to provide a better solution for all. It also gives hands on experience, provides practical training and experimental learning opportunities for AI technologies. So this is 2024, the year 2024. Think about how the future would change in about the next 5 to 10 years. And this video just wants to high cap those potential uses of drones in artificial intelligence. If you would like to know more, please reach out to me and let me know how I can incorporate this and make it a better topic. That way we can all learn from the future, and the future is now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave some comments below that I may be able to get back to you. Other than that, see you when I see you.